Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Marbro 4-in-1 Cordless Tire Inflators Car Vacuum. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 4-in-1 Tire Inflator Car Vacuum. Marbro handheld car vacuum or tire inflator functions as a 4-in-1 tool, including inflation, cleaning, and pressure measurement, with a light feature. It's convenient for on-the-go use and great for hard-to-reach areas. Fast and easy operation. No need to connect the external power supply. Inflate and fill in seconds with a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow of 35 liter per minute, 1.24 cfm. Automatically stops when the preset pressure is reached. It can handle most inflatables, balls, motorcycles, sedans and SUVs, but not for high-pressure RV and truck tires. Powerful dust suction power. As a car vacuum, it has two levels designed for suction power. Provides up to 15,000 PA strong cyclone suction, which could easily pick up dust, debris, coins. Use HEPA filters that are washable and durable, no need to replace often. It also comes with 3 different vacuum nozzles to meet all your car cleaning needs. Safe auto off. The air pump accurately measures your real-time tire pressure and displays it clearly on the LCD display. With the functions of the preset tire pressure and auto off, auto stops when the tire pressure reaches its preset value, simple and safe to use. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is, rechargeable and compact. Designed with 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, making the machine flexible and portable. You can do the inflating at any angle or cleaning every corner of the car without connecting the external power supply. Super compact size to easy store in the car or any bag. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.